Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Ranger key battery. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, which is essential for carefully prying open the key fob. Also, make sure you have a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery on hand. This specific battery type is commonly used in many car remotes, ensuring your new battery fits perfectly and provides reliable power for your key. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side or bottom edge of the remote. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be sure to apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing during this step. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. This helps ensure you insert the new battery correctly. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver. Then, insert the new CR 2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. With the new battery securely in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test your key's functions, like locking and unlocking your vehicle's doors, to confirm the new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.